In the American Revolution, the 13 colonies fought to win their freedom from Britain. Spies played an important part in this war. Some spies worked for Britain. They gave British leaders information about the American army. Some spies worked for Americans. They gave American leaders information about the British. Information from spies sometimes decided the out of a battle. If one side knew the other plans, it would what to do before the other know what to do before the other side attacked. Anyone could be a spy. Women not alone to fight in the army, but the woman could become a spy. Even children could be spies. Spies had to be clever. They had to find where to carry information so it would not be found. Some spies remembered the information. Some wrote it down and hid it in clothing. Some spies used secret code. Being a spy was very dangerous. Both sides were both sides were always watching for spies. If a spy was caught, he or she was often killed. Even so, people on both sides risked their lives as